In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the menu bar clock options on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left side, select the menu bar. And then on the right side, you want to select the clock options button. At this point, you can go ahead and adjust your preferred clock settings up here for the menu bar and then select done once you're done. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.